Good morning, Year 9 and 10. This is Radioactivity Lesson 6. Today's driving question: how can we represent radioactive decay? First task is to sort the statements into whether they apply to alpha, beta, or gamma radiation. Press pause to complete the task. Okay, so the answers. Alpha has a charge of +2, symbol, and it's blocked by paper. Its relative mass is 4. Whereas beta, the symbol, has a charge of -1, it's blocked by thin metal. Gamma is blocked by thick lead, a symbol, and then it's an electromagnetic wave. Pause the video to mark your work. Okay, so firstly we're going to look at alpha decay. What do you think alpha does to the atomic and the mass number? So look at the equation of radon on the slide, press pause and have a think. Okay, so alpha decay will decrease the atomic number, which is the smaller number, by 2, which is the one at the bottom, and the mass number by 4. Decreases it by 4. That's the larger number, the number on the top of the example. You may see alpha represented as a helium nucleus with a mass number of 4 and an atomic number of 2. Sometimes that's represented for alpha decay instead of using the alpha symbol, the Greek letter. Beta decay. This occurs when the nucleus has too many neutrons. So a neutron will change into a proton and a beta particle. So using the example of carbon, what does beta decay do to the atomic and mass number? Pause the video. So you can see that by emitting a beta particle, this increases the atomic number by 1. Okay, so that's the smaller number, the number on the bottom. And the mass number is unchanged. So the mass number in this example of carbon is 14, and it remains at 14 for nitrogen. But the atomic number at the bottom for carbon is 6, and then it increases to 7 for nitrogen, which changes the element. And then gamma decay is uncharged and it has no mass. So its emission does not change the number of protons or neutrons in the nucleus. So the mass and charge of the nucleus are both unchanged. Okay, so have a go at these equations on the board, on the slide. You have to fill in the missing gaps. So where there's a box, you need to fill in an answer. So firstly, you've got to look at to see whether it's alpha or beta decay. Okay, and remembering what happened to the mass number and the atomic number for each of those different types of decay will help you fill in the box. If you want to have a go now, press pause. If you would like a little bit more help, see these next yellow boxes and then press pause. Okay, so remember alpha decay decreases the atomic number by 2 and the mass number by 4, whereas beta decay increases the atomic number by 1 and the mass number is unchanged. Use that to help you. So press pause and fill in the gaps. Okay, so the answers are on the board. So the gaps, the boxes that you needed to fill in, are now on the board for you. Press pause to check your answers and correct them if needed. Okay, next task. Which of these statements is false? Is it A, alpha decreases the mass number by 4, beta decreases the atomic number by 2, alpha decreases the atomic number by 2, or gamma doesn't change the atomic or mass number? So which statement is false? Press pause to answer. Okay, so the incorrect statement was B. The statement said that beta decreases the atomic number by 2. It actually increases the atomic number by 1. Okay, now moving on to the main part of the lesson. Grade 1 to 3, state the mass and atomic number for alpha, beta, and gamma. Grade 4 to 5, explain what happens to the mass number and atomic number during alpha, beta, and gamma decay. Grade 6 to 7 and 8 to 9 is a worksheet, which is on your Show My Homework. So on your Show My Homework, there is a worksheet that gives you the tasks for grade 6 to 7 and 8 to 9. Okay, so you can either print them and have a go at them, or you can just look at them on the screen, but you will need to check your Show My Homework for the extra resources assignment for this lesson, and it will be on there for you. Press pause to have a go at the tasks. Okay, so if you pick up a different coloured pen and be ready to mark and correct your work and add any extra detail if needed. Okay, so the symbols for alpha, beta and gamma decay are in the first box for grade 1 to 3. The grade 4 to 5, how it affects the mass number and atomic number, is all done in a table for you. And then the answers to grade 6 to 7 and 8 to 9 are on the board, on the slide. Press pause to mark and correct your work. Okay, now on to our sentence. So today I achieved, state, explain, use or combine, because I can. So if you write in the box, what's in the box next to the statement that you have achieved today. Press pause to complete. And finally, don't forget to complete the 10-question quiz on your Show My Homework. Your quiz results will be emailed to your parents or carers. Okay, so please make sure that's done. Thank you, and have a lovely day.